boys. Look at you looking gorgeous. With hiccups. You can seem to both have hiccups, but you're not hiccuping very often. You've both rolled over after having your bottles. There's a bottle just behind Dougie's shoulder in the view, just to prove it. And you're just sort of having quite a nice time rolling around together and smiling and sort of gently rubbing heads and chewing your own fingers. And this is what mornings are like. So you're about 5.5 months old. You've mastered rolling. You've mastered loads of things. And generally, hello, darlings, you're so cute. You're just gorgeous. Am I going to get smiles out of both of you? Yes, small smiles. Okay, I better sort Dougie out. Love you, boys.